Please join me in welcoming the Mach-E, the latest addition to the Mustang stable. Isn't it gorgeous? With its powerful stance, sculpted body side, and fast roofline, Mach-E is instantly recognizable as a Mustang. We've completely redesigned this vehicle around electric propulsion to deliver a sleek exterior and a spacious interior. Inside, Mach-E signals the future with a modern cockpit while offering exceptional roominess. There's plenty of room for 5 passengers, as you saw earlier when I gave Ken Block and his crew a ride. There's also room for cargo, thanks to our flat load floor, flexible and configurable seating, and an innovative trunk in the front end of the vehicle that could hold enough luggage for a weekend getaway. Mach-E delivers incredible power, instant torque, and agile handling. It feels so planted thanks to a lower center of gravity than most SUVs, and it offers the confidence in all weather with rear-wheel drive and responsive all-wheel drive. With a targeted EPA range of 300 miles, it takes you wherever you want to go. Your Mach-E doesn't just perform, it knows you, and it continuously adapts to your habits. The next generation Sync intelligent voice-activated system makes it seamless to access all of the information you want when you want it. Now, if you like what you see tonight, you can register your interest on our website. It wouldn't be a Mustang reveal without a Mustang GT.
Wow! Yes, Bill. This is one bad Mustang.
Yeah, it sure is. It goes like hell, Idris. It gallops to 60 in the mid 3-second range, and that's as fast as the Ferrari Portofino. Hey. And you know how much we like beating Ferrari. Yeah. I've been driving Mustangs GTs my entire life, but to get an all-electric version, that's really special.